Good morning, children, and welcome back to our SS lecture. And we are going to continue with the part 3 of our chapter number 3, How Does State Government Work? So, this is Suman Bhatia, SS teacher, and in the last part 2 section of this video, we studied that how the state legislature works, the unicameral legislature, the bicameral legislature, and we saw how the chief ministers and other ministers are selected and how the assembly functions. So now moving towards working of the government. How does the government work? Now, the people in power, like chief minister and other ministers having different department, they have to take actions on various problems. So if they are having any kind of problem and they have discussed in the assembly, debates have been done, discussions have been done, so they have to find out the solution to that problem. So they manage various departments like public work department, agriculture department, health department, education department, and so on. So basically they are responsible for their own departments, and if any department is having any problem, they have to find a solution through discussion in a debate, and then they have to answer the public through various news channels, by giving press conference, by answering to the reporters and many such public media. They also have to answer the questions that are asked in the legislative assembly and convince the people that steps are being taken to sort out the problem. So when the opposition is asking questions, what are you planning, how are you going to sort out? So they have to convince the opposition party that they are planning and they are going to sort out the problem very soon. The government can also decide to make new laws for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. So laws can be amended or passed in the for the state through the assembly by doing voting from both the sides and by debating, discussing the pros and the cons, that means positive and negative points of the law you are going to pass. So after the discussion, if a majority of the members they are ready, they agree to the law, so that government can pass that law and the law can be brought into force in that state. This act of making law on certain issue is done in the legislative assembly of each state. The various government departments then implement these laws and they follow these laws. Now, just now I told in my part 2 video that the United States of India, that is the total Indian subcontinent, India country, is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories now. So the state is ruled by the MLA, chief minister and various ministers. But for the union territories, the 9 union territories in our country India, they are directly ruled by the central government, and the head of that union territory is the lieutenant governor appointed by the central government. So this is one point which is not mentioned in a textbook, but is for your knowledge and you have to remember this thing. So in this way, various press conferences are held, organized by the ministers for various health issues or any type of terrorist attack or any kind of shortage or fast connectivity to the people, to the mass people. So the ministers in this way arrange press conference, and the ministers and the government officers are present there and they give answers to the question asked by the media. The reporters ask many questions in this meeting, and the discussion that was done, are reported also in the newspapers in the headlines. So there are different forms of media. Media can be electronic media like internet, visual media like television, audio media like radio, and printed media like magazines and newspaper. So these are different forms of media, and these are the way through which government is questioned and government is answerable to the people. So media plays a very important role. So Times of India, Hindu, Divya Bhaskar, Gujarat Samachar, Sandesh. So this type of different media, newspaper, magazines, you can see they are the form of printed media. Electronic media, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, online news channels are now. So these all are different forms of electronic media. Now the social media is very much active nowadays. So now in this pandemic, when no person is able to go outside and news conferences are not held, so this online media plays a very important role in such conditions. Staying at home, we are able to connect to each other. Interviews are taken, online interviews are taken, and questions are now asked online. So in this way, this electronic media plays a very important role in the 21st century. The media is the most powerful entity on earth. They have the power to make the innocent guilty and to make the guilty innocent. And that's the power the media enjoys. The freedom of expression, the freedom of thought, the freedom of speech that is given to media by our constitution. So because they control the minds of the masses, media plays a very important role in the Indian democracy, and it plays a very important role that the government will stay for how many years into power. So media controls the mind of the masses. So what is the role of media? So elected members have to hold a press conference when large number of media persons are present, and they have to answer their questions. They have to satisfy the questions asked by the reporters. These discussions are reported in different newspapers and on channels, and in this way, this media plays a very important role. Now, along with this, wallpaper projects. It is also an important activity that can be done in schools and other colleges and other places. How? Making charts, making awareness in the people. Okay, so in this way, the wallpaper projects that we do in the school is also one kind of awareness with photographs and explaining the problem, creating awareness in the classroom, in the school, in the society. So in this way, bringing awareness through different means is a very good thing, and we can make people aware in our own ways. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you all have understood and you have liked the video. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.